Okay, well, tax season is in full swing, but unless you're a professional, it's hard to know if you're saving as much money as possible.
Yeah, Pix 11's Corrado shows us some simple savings for doing your taxes this year.
The saying goes that only two things in life are certain: death and taxes. But saving as much money as possible on your taxes is not guaranteed.
I remember one year I had no refund, and I know that's because I filed incorrectly.
Elena Lopez learned that the hard way using free tax software.
I didn't know if I was entering my information into the right lines.
Lopez is a food blogger with a complicated tax return. She says paying a professional actually saved her money.
Honestly, it's been a game changer. It's made a big difference.
It turns out there were several deductions that she wasn't taking advantage of because she didn't know they existed.
I had no idea. I didn't know that, like, having a lunch meeting was deductible, or even, drinks and things like that. I didn't know that I can claim that, but I can, as long as it's for the business.
David Gerges is the tax pro behind Elena's newfound savings. He helped her find a few others, too.
Sometimes it is the obvious ones that they don't realize. So, for example, like their cell phone.
If you're self-employed and work from home, Gerges says you can deduct portions of your mortgage, utility bills, and more.
We can use a percentage. We'll do a percentage of what you use for business versus personal. So let's say your bill is $100 a month. We can write off $20. Every month.
If you have kids, there are a few ways to save.
If you have children who are under the age of 16, you are eligible for $2,000 per child as it's called the CTC, the Child Tax Credit.
Childcare is also a write-off.
Whatever the amount of dollars that you've been paying for the daycare or the help, we'll put it on your tax return.
For folks with basic W-2s who don't qualify for special deductions, Gerges recommends putting money into a tax-deductible health savings account. And he says to take a closer look at your W-4.
When you start a new job or anything like that, they give you a W-4 form to fill out to see how much taxes do you want to have withheld in your paycheck.
He recommends picking 1/4 of the year to withhold more per paycheck, saying it'll come in handy during tax time.
Put a little extra withholding in there, maybe $100, $150 out of your paycheck, to maybe lower that, what you owe, or maybe you'll get something back.
Stacked together, these deductions can mean big savings and put hard-earned cash back in your bank account.
Equipment, Wi-Fi, I never thought that I can use that as a deduction, but turns out that I can, and it helps.
Reporting in Hoboken, New Jersey, I'm Corrado, Pix 11 News.